Nestled in the heart of Leeds, the Pavilion sets the standard for luxurious student living, offering a truly exceptional experience. Boasting a variety of fully furnished studios equipped with every amenity imaginable, residents are treated to the ultimate comfort and convenience. Each studio features a comfortable bed, ample storage space, a fully equipped kitchen, and a designated study area, complete with high-speed Wi-Fi and a TV. But it's not just the interiors that impress. The Pavilion also boasts a spacious gym, a lounge area with a pool table, and a beautiful rooftop terrace for soaking up the city views. With laundry facilities on site, students can focus on enjoying their university experience in this vibrant atmosphere. Just a short 6-minute walk from Leeds University's International Studies Center and a quick 7-minute drive from Leeds Beckett University, the Pavilion is perfectly situated for students. Plus, located in a prime neighborhood, students have easy access to a plethora of dining options, including Thai Sabai, Signature Bar and Restaurant, Fat Hippo Headingley, and Red's True Barbecue, ensuring that every culinary craving is satisfied. With everything you need and more right at your doorstep, make the Pavilion your new home today. Visit amberstudent.com today to know more.